Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python from YouTube using an easy method. First, find a YouTube channel that offers structured Python tutorials for beginners. Install Python and a suitable code editor, such as VS Code, on your computer. Actively code along with the instructor in the videos. This hands-on approach helps solidify your understanding of new concepts immediately. To maximize your learning, pause the videos frequently. Use these breaks to experiment with the code yourself and try solving small, related problems. Take clear, concise notes on important concepts and syntax examples. Don't hesitate to rewatch sections or entire videos on challenging topics. Repetition is key to mastering new programming skills. Once you grasp the basics, start building small personal projects. This practical application helps connect theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Engage in coding challenges to test your problem-solving abilities and reinforce what you've learned. Make it a habit to review your own code regularly. This practice helps you identify areas for improvement and refine your coding style. Finally, engage with the broader Python community. Join online forums or Discord servers to ask questions, share your progress, and collaborate with others. Once comfortable, explore advanced topics such as data science, machine learning, or web development. Continuously learning new libraries and frameworks will keep your skills sharp and open up new opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.